Hi there. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to activate a custom maintenance page in the WordPress dashboard without plugin. This is how maintenance page, okay, in the screen, and in the WordPress dashboard, this is how to activate the maintenance page. So without further ado, let's begin. To create this field in the WordPress dashboard that we will use to activate our custom maintenance page, we're gonna use the ACF custom fields, and we're gonna put this custom field in the theme options. So in the last video, I've already showed you how to do this, and let's go create this field in the theme options. Here, as you can see, I've deleted the custom field here, and I'm gonna, do it again with you so that you can see how to do this. And let's create a field inside the theme options. But for now, let's go to custom fields, okay, and add field grab. Okay, let's name it maintenance mode. Okay, and in it, let's create a field name maintenance. Okay, and this field will be true or false. Boolean value. Okay, and let's say where we wanna show this custom field, and this will be in theme options. Okay, and let's publish. And from now, let's go to theme options. And as you can see, guys, this is our custom field. Okay, I leave it activate. That's in here. This is true, and when we remove how check, this is false. I will leave it true and update. And now I'm gonna head to our code editor to continue our work. Okay, before heading to our code editor, this is our custom HTML page. So you could design it the way you want. This is a static HTML page. Okay, guys. Um, you will see the code in a while, but you can customize it the way you want. It is just for, tutorial purpose. I'm showing you how to do this, but this is a static HTML page. And okay, and now let's go to our code editor to see and to understand better. In our code editor, let's create our maintenance page. Okay, and now in the theme folder, your file, let's name it page dash maintenance dash .php. Okay, so I have already a custom custom page for my maintenance page. I'm gonna copy and paste this code here. So I already told you that you could design it the way you want. This is just for tutorial purpose. Okay, once you know how to do this, you can customize it the way you want. Okay, so no problem at all. Okay, now save. Okay, from now we have created our custom maintenance page, and now we're gonna head to our WordPress dashboard to create this maintenance page. Okay, let's go to create it. In the WordPress dashboard, as we said, let's create a page name maintenance. Okay, add new. Okay, and let's name it maintenance and publish. Okay, so almost done. So now we're gonna head back to our code editor to add custom code in our theme functions. To call this maintenance page when it is activated from the WordPress dashboard. Okay, to proceed, this is the hook we're gonna use. Get header, and get header. This is a hook. Look, fires before the header template file is loaded. And here parameters, name of the specific header file to use. Okay, so we're gonna use this get header hook to call our um, custom maintenance page. Okay, and from now, let's go to our code editor. Or I'm gonna leave this link in the description of this video so that you can um, understand better and read about it. In our code editor, let's create the function to call our custom page. But first, let's comment. Custom um, maintenance page. Okay, and comment this. Okay, and now let's create a function. Okay, WP underscore uh, maintenance maintenance page. Okay, and now the hook will add action. Okay, let's remove all of these. Okay, and our hook will be get underscore, sorry, underscore header. Okay, and the name of the function. Okay, so now let's put our condition. So is underscore user underscore log in. Okay, so this is a custom WordPress function. Okay, is user log in, but we're gonna use the negative. Okay, okay, is user is not logged in. Okay, and okay, get underscore field. Okay, the name of our field, you see it was maintenance. Okay, and after that we create this field in theme option. We have to put option. Without this it will not work. Okay, and include. Okay, include and this page maintenance dot php, page dash maintenance, okay, dot php. Okay, and after that exit. Okay, I think that's it, and exit. Okay, I think that's it, guys. So now we're gonna give a try in the front end of the site. Before head to the appearance of the site, I'm gonna deactivate the maintenance mode. Okay, and update. Okay, and from now I'm gonna show you the site without the maintenance mode, and after that show you when the maintenance mode is activated. Okay, hope that makes sense. And now this is um, our team. You already know, this team without maintenance mode. Okay, without maintenance mode it is like this. Okay, and now um, let's go back. I'm gonna head back to our code edit, in the WordPress dashboard. I'm gonna activate, okay, the maintenance mode, as you can see. And from now, let's go back again, okay, and let's try to reload, okay. So as you can see, guys, we have successfully showed you how to make a maintenance page with the ACF custom fields. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. Invite your friend to this channel. So each week we bring new stuffs in this channel. So see you in the next video. And if you have questions, don't forget to drop it in below the video, below this video. And that's it, guys. See you next time.